guys, we play Twister Wild Blue Blocks. This is our Twister board. This is our spinner, and whatever it lands on, we have to do it.
Time to start, guys. Let's see.
Jay, you need to put your left foot on the blue.
Left foot. Oh, that's so hard.
Yeah, well, take a picture so you can send it to Daddy.
Is it hard?
No.
Okay, next up, Daisy. You have to put your right foot on the square. On the rectangle and put your right foot on the square. Oh. KJ, you need to put your right hand on the blue. Right hand on the blue.
I'm right here. I'm doing this.
Oh, that's so easy. You guys fell. We gotta start all over.
Thanks for playing. See you next time.